Hi, I'm Saif Rahman from the Civil YouTube channel. Here in this video, I'm going to show you a trick about how to rotate your tags in Microsoft Word. A lot of beginners has a lot of confusions about rotating tags in Microsoft Word, and unfortunately, Microsoft Word has no option by default to rotating tags easily. So there is a trick that you can use to rotate your tags. So all you need to do, you have to go into insert option, and there you can find a lot of option that I have in this word options, and you can see a option that is illustration. So you have to go into illustrations option, and you can see option, the first option on the top. You can see the text box. If you drag over the mouse on this option, you can see it is showing pop up the text box. Sorry, now you have to select this text box and then drag over here the text box to type your text. Now if you can now I'm going to show you this demo text. So I have already copied it, and you have to paste it. So if you have anything copied and you want to rotate the text, then you have to first of all copy, and then you have to drag a text box, and you have to paste your text. Now you can customize your box by your text, including your text. And now I have customized it, and then I have to go into format option. You can see when you have a text box, you will be able to see an option in it has new in Word, that is format will show up, and you have to select this, and you can see I have an option that is shape fill. You have to select it, no fill, no outline, and then you have to go into word art styles, and then you can see an option that I have that is by word art styles. Right there you can see an option that is tags. So you have to go into text direction, and you can change the text direction as your wish. So if you want to make it 270 degree, then you can check it, or if you want to make if you want to make it 90 degrees, so you can put it right this. So this is how you can rotate your text, and this rotating option a lot of people has to know, and a lot of people has to work about this, because of it's important when you want to make any document. So this trick will help you too much, I think. If you have learned a little bit from this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you again in another tutorial with another new things. Till then, take care, bye bye.